This tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Peekaboo app not working. So let's get started. The Peekaboo app might not be working for a few reasons. Now here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot the issue. Now there's a chance that the Peekaboo app itself is experiencing server outages or maintenance. You can try searching online for Peekaboo server status updates or check their social media pages for any announcements. You could try restarting your device because that can sometimes resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting the app. Now let's look at some app-specific issues. Ensure you're running the latest version of the Peekaboo app. Outdated versions might have the bugs that might not have been fixed, so you can go ahead to your app store and see if you can update the app. Sometimes you can just simply close and reopen the app and this might fix minor issues. Now lastly, you'll have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. Peekaboo likely relies on an internet connection to function properly. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between them to see if it makes a difference. The Peekaboo app might have accumulated cache data that's causing problem. Now you can try to clear this cache, which can sometimes resolve the issue. So you can just go ahead and search this, and you can see how can you clear the cache. You can try reinstalling the Peekaboo app. So let's say if none of the other issues work, you can just uninstall the app and then download it again from the Google Play Store. And let's say if none of these help you out, lastly, you can contact their customer support. Probably you can go to their website and then you can contact their support and they'll get back to you with the answer. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.